I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash multiplayer on iOS. First, understand that the game itself doesn't have a built-in multiplayer mode. Instead, you'll use external applications to create a shared experience. These apps allow you to connect with friends in private rooms, letting you play levels together in a synchronized fashion. It's a clever workaround to enjoy the game with others. To begin, you'll need to download a suitable third-party application from the iOS App Store. Once installed, open the app and look for an option to create a new private room or server. This will generate a unique code or an invitation link. Share this code or link with everyone you want to join your game. They will use it to connect to your specific room. If you're joining a game, the host will provide you with a specific room code or an invitation link. Open your third-party application and navigate to the Join Room or Join Server section. Carefully enter the code you received into the designated field. Once entered, you should be able to connect to your friend's private game and start playing together. For the best multiplayer experience, always ensure everyone has a strong and stable internet connection. This minimizes lag and keeps the gameplay smooth. Also, consider using voice chat to communicate with your friends. It makes coordinating jumps and moves much easier. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.